I bought this auto epoxy mixer from Let's Resin. Haven't unboxed it yet, but then we've got the silicone rubber for the mold. This has to get stirred for 5 minutes, so I wasn't going to stir that by hand. Pretty cool. Low viscosity, self degassing. Well, that doesn't seem like a lot. So I figured it up at the bottom is not a bad idea. It seals, but I want it to be better. Looking pretty good. All right. So we are sealed up on the bottom all the way around. There we go. What I like to do when I pour resin, um, let's guesstimate. I just have a little bit of rice. Let's see what I got. I have basically 2 cups of rice. That should be plenty, but I want to see. We are slightly above 2 cups. I've seen people do this on other channels, and I've talked to people like Francis. And this is a good way to measure because these materials are expensive, y'all. Kind of like leveling concrete, right? I don't know. I'm just kidding. I've watched people do it. I think I've done like a sidewalk with a buddy before. So I'm no. That's pretty good. I think we're pretty dang close. All right. There's the mold that I 3D printed. It's a 2-piece, and I sealed it on the back. You know, it's super cool. You get so much good advice from people in the community. Haven't used it, haven't even read the instructions, but I mean, you mix stuff. Has to charge, has this cool little paddle. We're just going in. I mean, well, um, we need a cup and a half. So cup 8, 10, 12. So we're going up to 6 on one of them, and then we'll go up to 12 on the other. Well, that's a lot, dude. That's most of this freaking package, y'all. Dang, it might be the whole thing. That's most of it. Look, that took up most of it. All right. We're going up to 12, which is a cup and a half. Which, when we measured the rice, is a cup and a quarter, but we're going up to give us a little extra. Here's what we got. Here's the mixer. Go ahead and start your timer. There it goes. Set a 5-minute timer for me. There's some beautiful. There we go, yo. First time doing it. Hopefully, we measured it well. We went a little over. We measured a cup and a quarter, and we went a cup and a half when we were using the rice. That's looking pretty good. Okay. I'm looking, I'm dripping over here. So that means I need to go high over here. I'm too high over here. Yeah. So I should have leveled it. Dang it. I was getting a little excited. There we go. A little more level. Just trying to make sure the corners are level with each other. Like right now, these 2 corners are still really full. I was trying to raise them up slightly. Okay. You're just looking at the four corners to see if they're full. That's pretty good. I'm going to go a little bit more. Pretty neat.
$24 later.
I 3D printed a two-piece mold kit, and then I sealed it with tape. So it's been 24 hours. It says 12 to 24 before the mold is ready. So let's demold. I used mold release. I have heard on some different places that you can use Pam cooking spray instead of the mold release, because I think the mold release was like 12 or 13 bucks, something like that. So I just put extra tape just to seal it, just in case it leaked. Because when I've poured resin, I have had leaks. So, and I think it was well worth it. So this thing worked. Let me get this tape off. Look. So we are not turning anything today. Thought I'd show this to you, and I think we might pour some pin blanks. I've never done it, but we might. We're gonna unbox the pressure pot too. So what do you do? It's a little moist where that tape was. Just a little right there. All right, so I'm trying to remember how this thing went together. So I think I just push it. I don't know. I've never demolded anything in my life. Um, dude, how are you supposed to demold stuff? Oh, please don't mess up. Please don't mess up. Oh, we're getting there. Look. Cha-cha-cha-cha. I'm just pulling evenly. I'm not jerking on it. It's coming out. So the mold release is working. I'm glad I got it. So the 3D print, fantastic. It worked well. And this whole process was pretty easy. That mixer definitely helped.
To see me use this mold and make 6 resin and wood pin blanks, click on the video on the top right and we'll see how I did.